What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at something to hold your phone while you run. If you're the athletic type like me, you're looking for something that will, hold your phone, keep it safe, and still not jiggle around all over the place. So I actually picked up something called the Runbach cell phone holder. It comes with an extension, so you got big arms. You could just wrap it around here. The way it works, just loop it around just like this, stick the cell phone in here. This is the top. There we go. Cell phone sits in there like that. It is somewhat waterproof, but not 100% because you see the vents right down here. And this goes against your arm like that. You'll see that you can carry some keys right in here. You can stick a credit card in here. If you've got some wireless headphones, you can clip it in here. As far as the size of the phone, I have a Galaxy S21 FE. Fits in here, but this just barely covers it. So what I do is I actually take the outer box off and it'll pop right in here and it works. I ran up and down a football stadium with this, with my phone in it, and it worked great. Actually, it doesn't jiggle at all. You can readjust it however you want. So I think it's a great product, and I think you will too.